guys, Karen here, and today I want to show you some expressions to sound more like a native. Are you ready? Then come with me for part one. When you don't agree with someone, don't say, I don't agree with that. Just say, you know what? You and I don't see eye to eye. Or, for example, if something is very expensive, don't say, wow, this is expensive. Say, oh my God, it costs an arm and a leg. Or, for example, when you need to be creative, all you have to do is think outside of the box. Come on, guys, let's think outside of the box for a little bit. Or when you're having so much fun and when you least expect it, it's over. And then you say, well, time flies when you're having fun. I hope you enjoyed these expressions. Stay tuned for some more.